For those that are drivers and need additional comfort, you'll find that you take two things with you on the road. One, your smartphone. Two, a headset. And more than likely, the choice for those that are serious long haulers or drive all the time or long commutes, those are going to be your BlueParrott headsets. They look like this. They say BlueParrott on them. And that is the number one choice for folks in the trucking industry or our serious professional drivers. And what you want to do is to easily upgrade that comfort. And the way to do it is with some additional cushions that are larger and more comfortable and provide more memory foam than the factory original earpieces that came with it. So I'm going to show you how to do that without damaging. So let's get to it. Let's start with the most popular. The most popular one is going to be your B450. So this is the original size. You can see this is quite beat up from usage. This is the original one. It's very narrow. It does provide good quality sound. If you want to get a little more comfortable and maybe you want to fit your ear inside of this hole, the B550 is the kit that we have available. It goes right over the top. So let me show you how to do that. All right. And it goes right over there. Now, you've got your cushion kit right in there, and you have a little more room for your ear inside of this hole. Okay. And if you'd like, what I was saying earlier was that you could use this foam that's included in the kit and put it right over the top. So let me show you how that goes. You're just going to stretch one side and a little bit at a time, and you just want to work it slowly. If you work it slowly, I guarantee you will not rip it. You can see there's no tears, no rips, because people have said, yeah, this rips. I know it does if you go pretty fast. Okay, there you go. And that's it. And that's all you need to do on that, the B450. Now you've instantly upgraded the comfort from the factory original one. So let's go to the next one. We're going to go to the best, well, I think is one of the best ones in the bunch. It's the B350. And that's just the inside. And how do you know it's the B350? It says so over here on the tag. Now this is the original factory that came with it, the factory earpiece, the ear cushion. This is the one we're going to use. This is the B450, and you can use this on that older 350. That's the factory one. So you can see it's much larger, but it will fit. Let me show you. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to just pull on the sides and work our way around and pull with this hand here, and it'll stretch, and voila, instant comfort. So now you went from a much smaller, more narrow. Now you've got more room for your ear. It breathes a little bit better, and it's going to cover more. And so you're going to get a little bit better seal as well. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay. So
you see, got a lot more coverage here. And in my case, I don't have big, humongous ears, so my entire ear is covered. Fits completely inside of this earpiece.
So if I'm a driver, A, I'm going to get more sound in the ear. B, I'm going to hear less of the cabin on the road noise because now my entire ear in this state is completely inside of the ear cushion. So I get a much better seal to feel the outside world. And you know what? You'll probably do a lot less yelling on the phone. So the number one reason people tend to yell when they're on the mic is because they perceive their audio to not come through. These microphones are really good for picking up voice and blocking out that background noise. So that's the B350. Let's go to the B250. This is probably the most economical model that BlueParrott has out there. And that's what the factory sized ear cushion looks like. We're going to upgrade that to the B350 one. Okay. And now there are two B350s. We have a B350 kit. That's a first generation model. That's the one you want. Okay. So we're just going to remove that there. You could see this is oval. So what I like to do is just start with the oval sides that they match each other like this. And we're going to work our way around. Same process. All right. In a matter of seconds, it's on. But we don't just want to leave it like that. We actually want to rotate it this way. And now you're going to get a little bit better fit. Okay. And as you could see, it goes into all the gaps there. And you have a perfectly fitting headset. And just like with the other two headsets, if you wanted to add the foam over the top, you can also do that. And I know that some hardcore drivers like to do that. Well, I'll just show you how right here so that it works. There's no doubt. And again, I'm taking my time with this just to make sure I don't rip and tear anything. Mission accomplished. And now I've got a more comfortable fitting BlueParrott B250. And that's what that looks like. Let me put that on for you. Channel my inner Vanna White. Let's see. I can close the loop here of the headband. Now I've got a better fit. As you can see, this is a smaller of the three, and you see a little bit of the bottom earlobe will stick out. That's because this is the smallest ear pad. Now, the other question you probably want to ask is, can I use the bigger ones with this B250 one? I wouldn't do it simply because it would be too loose. And if it's too loose, it may come off. You may not be a happy camper after that. This is the largest of them out there that'll fit without them coming off the earpiece. Let's go back, do a summary. B450, we have the 550 kit, goes over the top. And on the inside, as you can see, there's the leatherette. B350, we've upgraded that one as well from the factory earpiece or ear cushion and put the 450. That one will also accommodate the foam if you want to use it that way as well. And lastly, it's the B250. All three have kits, and they also come with extra foam inside the kit. So if you're a driver, now you've added lots of comfort for a minimal amount of effort and investment. Thanks for joining me today. I will see you next time.